Project AIM, discuss how unsupervised learning can be used to make self-driving cars. Project Plan, first, introduction to unsupervised learning, second, applications of unsupervised learning in self-driving cars, third, techniques used in self-driving technology, fourth, benefits and challenges, fifth, real-world examples and case studies, sixth, conclusion. First, introduction to unsupervised learning, definition. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model is trained on unlabeled data and is used to identify patterns and structures. Techniques. Common techniques include clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. Second, applications of unsupervised learning in self-driving cars. 2.1 Clustering. First, description. Clustering algorithms group similar objects together. Second, application in self-driving cars. A. Traffic pattern analysis, grouping traffic flow data to predict congestion and optimize routes. B. Road type classification, identifying different types of roads, example, highways, urban streets, for better navigation. 2.2 Dimensionality reduction. First, description, reducing the number of random variables to consider, making the model more efficient. Second, application in self-driving cars. A. Sensor data processing, simplifying data from multiple sensors, example cameras, LiDAR, to focus on the most important features. B. Image compression, reducing the complexity of images for faster processing and decision-making. 2.3 Anomaly detection. First, description, identifying rare or unusual data points that differ from the norm. Second, application in self-driving cars. A. Obstacle detection, identifying unexpected obstacles on the road. B. System diagnostics, detecting anomalies in the vehicle's systems for maintenance and safety checks. Third, techniques used in self-driving technology. 3.1 Principal Component Analysis, PCA. First, description, a dimensionality reduction technique that transforms the data into a set of orthogonal components. Second, application, used for reducing the dimensionality of sensor data, making it easier to process and analyze. 3.2 K-means clustering. First, description, a clustering method that partitions data into K-clusters based on similarity. Second, application, used for segmenting different driving scenarios and environments to tailor the driving strategy. 3.3 Autoencoders. First, description, neural networks used to learn efficient codings of input data. Second, application, used for anomaly detection and noise reduction in sensor data. Fourth, benefits and challenges. 4.1 Benefits. First, adaptive learning. Self-driving cars can adapt to new driving environments without explicit programming. Second, efficiency, reduces the need for labeled data, which is time-consuming and expensive to obtain. Third, improved safety, enhances the vehicle's ability to detect and respond to unusual situations. 4.2 Challenges. First, complexity. Implementing and tuning unsupervised learning algorithms can be complex. Second, data quality. The effectiveness of unsupervised learning depends on the quality and diversity of the data. Third, real-time processing. Ensuring that the algorithms can process data in real time is crucial for safe driving. Fifth, real-world examples and case studies. First, Waymo uses unsupervised learning techniques to improve the accuracy of its self-driving algorithms. Second, Tesla applies clustering and anomaly detection for better understanding of driving environments and obstacle detection. Third, Uber utilizes dimensionality reduction to process large volumes of sensor data efficiently. Conclusion: unsupervised learning plays a vital role in the development of self-driving cars by enabling them to identify patterns, reduce data complexity, and detect anomalies. Despite the challenges, the benefits of adaptive learning and improved safety make unsupervised learning an essential component of autonomous vehicle technology.